Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today it is Thursday, the 3rd of December. It's around 1:30, 1:45 in the afternoon, and I am just about to film a video of the latest at Wilkos. As you can see, this fence runs all the way around now, so I am very limited in what I can film and where I can film. But very fortunately, there is a gate here, and from this gate I can film pretty much the action. All the machines look like they're working today. There's the pneumatic drill thing over there. I don't know the correct name of it, but that's just pounding things into dust and separating the metal from the stone. There's a little picky dinosaur that's picking up the bits of metal, and there, in the background, it's a big digger doing its scoop thing. So I'm going to try and angle the camera so you can see everything. I'll zoom out a bit so you can see the whole site. It's a bit of a far away view, but at least you get to see everything. There's practically none of the actual building left now, everybody. Look, that guy was right when he told me it will be down by Friday, as tomorrow it is indeed going to be Friday, and this will be all gone. Well, you're probably watching this video on Friday, but the video is being filmed on Thursday. Today is Thursday. So this is a Thursday video, but it's going to be uploaded on Friday. And the video I filmed tomorrow, on the actual Friday, is going to be uploaded on the Saturday. But I will get everything, or at least I will try my best to get everything. out of the way. That is the last corner standing, it's all gone. That might even be gone by the end of the day. But I can't hang around and film because I've got to rush off to work. So once I've done this video, I'm just going to have to power walk it to work because I work in Lisbon. But I'll go via the prom and see if there's anything left of the Ambassador to film for you folks. I'll zoom in on that little bit. Car park, you can tell. That is pretty much going to be it today from Wilkos. Those machines are so noisy. I'll just have a little walk to that next gate there and see what we can see through that second gate. So I'll just walk down and we'll have a little peek through that second gate just to see if there's anything else. Pretty much there, a ginormous pile. Oh, you can get a different view of the site there, that's pretty cool. There you go. You can get a view of there. I know the fence is in the way, but we can still see. Something's noisy down there. I'm not sure if that's actually another bigger machine down there or if it's an echo or whatever from the other one. But let's just take a walk quickly to the bottom and see through the corner gate, because it's only there. It'll only take me a couple of seconds to get there. We're nearly going to be done with the Wilkos series soon, folks. I think this is going to be part 76 or part 77 or something. That's a lot of video, a lot of minutes and hours stood there, then editing and then uploading. So I hope you enjoy this series. Not a lot you can see from the front, but now at least I've showed you everything from all angles. Oh look, there's concrete there where all the... So this looks like, because there's a turnstile entry there and a gate in the side at the front. Yeah, they've got a side entrance which is on this side, there where that gate is. So a lot of this will be getting ready for the builders to move in, I think, because that now is the side entrance. Well, I'm going to end this one now. I've shown you all I can. So I'm going to say thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a like and a comment, and please subscribe, and I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Goodbye.